Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce. My name is Ahmad Sofian. NIM 21124001096. On this occasion, I will present a journal entitled Computer and Network Equipment Management System or CNMS Application Measurement. Here are some of the items that will be discussed, namely abstract summary, introduction from journal, the method used in the journal, feeding and discussion journal, and the last conclusion. The first abstract summary. PT ABC has policy to give some equipment from employees to rent. Application used to control all equipment that run by employer named as CNMS or Computer and Network Equipment Management System National. Objective of the research is to measure maturity of CNMS. The second, introduction. There are two introductions here, namely the purpose of the research and the problem of the research. The first, the purpose of the research. The purpose of the research is to know the maturity level and the CNMS gap. With later what show whether CNMS was in accordance with what expected by PT ABC is audit CNMS using ITAF, which is one method that can be used to audit application effectively. The second, the problem of the research. The problem of the research is problem first as PT ABC cannot reach 100% equipment return. Monitoring cannot be updated automatically. The DWP does not know yet maturity level, the application, and the gap and human error in the use of equipment unidentified yet. The third is method. Here there are three that will be discussed, namely method of the research, data collection, technique of analysis data. The first method of the research method used is a descriptive approach. Then the data collection method used in observation, interview, and questionnaire. Then the system approach method used is a structure approach. The second, data collection. There are three data collection here, namely 1. Maturity level questionnaire data resource, 2. Maturity level, and the last, recommendation. The third, technique of analysis data. Using questionnaire distribute to respondents who have been determined based on responsibilities, where 4 parties from IT department act as IT manager and act as user of the CNMS system, so that they have the ability to provide assessment related to implementation. The questionnaire was designed in the format of column that can be filled with weighted value that have been set. The third, feeding and discussion. There are still few problems in some of its domain in CNMS performance with are the scope of research. This problem includes the following. 1. The current maturity level in the AC1 process is related to the CNMS application at PT ABC, which is overall in level 5 optimized, but there are some achievements that are not in line with expectation, while the expected level of maturity is at level 5 optimized, where the system process has been optimized, run well, and quickly adapt to change. 2. The current maturity level in the AC2 process is related to the CNMS application at PT ABC as a whole is in 4 managed and measurable performance There is a procedure and standard and there is monitoring, but there are some achievements that are not in line with expectation. Will the expected level of maturity is at level 5 optimized, where the system process is optimized and quickly adapt to change. The last is conclusion. PTABC confirm at the value of maturity and maturity target of Genomas, but there are still a few problems in some of its domain in Genomas performance which are the scope of research. These problems include the following. 1. The current maturity level in the AC1 process is related to the Genomas application at PTABC, which is overall in level 5 optimized, but there are some achievements that are not in line with expectation. Will the expected level of maturity is at level 5 optimized. 2. The current maturity level in the AC2 process is related to the Genomas application at PTABC as a whole is in for managed environment performance. There is a procedure and standard and there is monitoring, but there are some achievements that are not in line with expectation. Will the expected level of maturity is at level 5 optimized. Okay, that's all from me. If there are pleasing to me, I apologize profusely. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.